Moringa oleifera, Sajan, Nutrition and Health Benefits. What is Moringa? Moringa oleifera, or Sajan, is a medicinal plant that is native to India. It grows as a tree and provides incredible nutritional and health benefits. Why is it such an amazing ingredient to add to your diet? It contains 92 nutrients, 18 amino acids, and all the 9 essential amino acids the human body needs. In the form of fresh leaves, it is a good source of protein, providing 17.5% of the daily requirement per 100 grams. Its fresh pods and seeds are a good source of oleic acid. 100 grams of fresh pods provide 235% of the daily vitamin C levels, while 100 grams of fresh leaves provide 86% of a person's daily vitamin C needs. 100 grams of fresh leaves provide more than 250% of the daily requirement of vitamin A. They also contain good levels of several B-complex vitamins, minerals iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium. Apart from the plethora of vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, Moringa contains about 46 antioxidants. It also offers 539 known compounds, which according to Ayurvedic medicine, treat almost 300 diseases. Isn't that incredible? Nutrients in Sajan or Moringa. Moringa is a nutritional dynamite. Consider these facts and see for yourself. Dry leaves provide, gram for gram, 10 times more vitamin A than carrots. 1/2 times more vitamin C than oranges. 17 times more calcium than milk. 15 times more potassium than bananas. 25 times more iron than spinach. 9 times more protein than yogurt. Fresh leaves provide, gram for gram, 3 times more iron than spinach. 2 times more protein than yogurt. 7 times more vitamin C than oranges. 4 times more vitamin A than carrots. 4 times more calcium than milk. 3 times more potassium than bananas. What are the health benefits of Moringa? Moringa, or Sajan, has been used in traditional medicine in many countries for centuries to treat common ailments. Here are just a few things it can do. General health: the juice from leaves stabilizes blood pressure and reduces anxiety. Moringa leaf juice helps regulate blood glucose levels. It increases milk production in breastfeeding women and controls anemia. Moringa has tumor-inhibiting properties. Its high levels of various nutrients help prevent and treat malnutrition and therefore, prevent and fight disease. Moringa, with its vitamin A content, prevents vision problems, boosts immunity, fights infections, and prevents pregnancy and lactation-related problems. Due to its abundant vitamin C content, it prevents scurvy, high blood pressure, and gum problems. Moringa's high levels of iron prevent anemia, fatigue, weakness, decreased appetite, and irritability. The good levels of calcium prevent osteoporosis, muscle and nerve damage, and abnormal heartbeat and heart function. The protein content helps prevent weight loss, hair loss, skin problems, edema, weakness, muscle weakness and cramps, sleep problems, anxiety, depression, and mood swings. The potassium in Moringa prevents high blood pressure, digestive system problems, fatigue, muscular weakness, skin problems, heart problems, and ringing in ears. It contains a plethora of antioxidants that provide preventative effect against prostate and skin cancers. It is antitumor as well. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, it relieves joint pain, arthritis, and rheumatism. It protects the kidney and liver and helps with asthma. Sickness: the leaves reduce fever, treat bronchitis, reduce the inflammation of mucous membranes, and help heal eye and ear infections, diarrhea, dysentery, and colitis. Leaves kill intestinal parasites and detoxify the blood. Moringa has antibiotic, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. It is active against a large range of bacteria and fungi, including H. pylori, which causes gastritis, gastric and duodenal ulcers and is a risk factor for gastric ulcers. The antiviral, Antimicrobial and antibacterial properties make moringa effective against hot infections, syphilis, typhoid, fungus, herpes, HIV, and AIDS. Disorders of the nervous system like migraines, hysteria, and epilepsy can be treated. It is effective against scorpion and snake bites because of its excellent detoxifying properties. Moringa contains plant hormones, so a spray of moringa leaf extract on plants increases its growth and yield. It has been used effectively with commercial cultivation. The seeds not only reduce turbidity and clean the water, but they also reduce the levels of bacteria as well. How to grow and use the Sajan, moringa, tree. The moringa tree is native to the foothills of the Himalayas of northwest India, but it can grow in tropical to subtropical areas. It grows best in dry, sandy soil and thrives in even the harshest of soils. As you can imagine, it doesn't require very much water to flourish. Moringa is commonly cultivated in India, Africa, Nepal, Indonesia, Philippines, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, and Central and South America. How to grow moringa. The tree itself is slender, and its branches tend to droop. In cultivation, the tree is often cut to a height of 5-7 feet to allow for easy collection of leaves and pods. An untrimmed tree can grow to a height of 30-35 feet and lives for 20 years. Moringa is propagated by planting cuttings about a meter long, but it can also be done through seeds. It is a fast-growing tree, reaching a height of about 9 feet within a year of planting. It starts bearing pods about 6-8 months from planting. If you live in USDA hardiness zones 9,10 or 11, you can grow this tree easily in your backyard. How to use the moringa tree. All parts of the tree have been traditionally used for medicinal purposes, both in Ayurveda and Siddha forms of medicine. Sajan can provide nutritional, medicinal and economic sustenance to developing countries. Wood pulp. The wood pulp is turned into paper used for wrapping, newsprint, printing, and writing. The pulp is also suitable for textiles and cellophane manufacturing. Edible. The immature pods of the moringa are edible. In fact, almost all parts of the plant are edible: pods, seeds, leaves, and flowers. Ben oil. The seeds also yield 30-40% by weight of an edible oil called ben oil. It is nutritionally equal to olive oil, sweet, odorless, and never goes rancid. Ben oil can also be used as a biofuel, to lubricating fine machinery, and incorporated in the manufacturing of perfumes and hair care products. Seed cake. The seed cake can be used as a fertilizer or to purify water. It removes the turbidity from water and is as effective as alum. Leaves. The leaves can be eaten as greens in salads or curries or as pickles. They can also be dried and eaten. Dried leaf powder does not spoil. They can also be used to scrub utensils. Leaves/branches. The leaves and young branches are also used as fodder for livestock. The bark is used for tanning and also yields fiber.